I left this on last night and it's still going. We're at 12.2, 12.1. It's charging. What are we getting? 31.4 volts at 2.86 amps. Which isn't so bad because it's overcast. It's going to rain today. Yeah, I'm pretty amazed at that. It's still running because I was expecting it to be shut off. Because when it gets down to, I think, 10.5, it shuts itself off. The power inverter. It's working. So, we'll let it go. And, maybe tonight I'll check it again. I'll let it run all day. I think it'll charge it up without any problem. This panel seems to be really rocking it. I'm on my way to Lori's Fasteners. Gonna grab a couple of thumb screws from them. Decide against using those other threaded, I guess they're feet, that would work, but I think I'm gonna go for something that's either stainless or brass. Something that's not going to rust readily. It is a boat anyways, and stuff in it, if it's not stainless, it's gonna rust. So let's avoid the heartache now and just go get what I need now. They're back there with the vests. They're testing to see how much light gets bounced back off the stop sign. This whole cover your ass attitude or way of thinking is costing everyone a lot of money. I see it in industry, I see it in recreation, I see it in the city streets. Like testing the reflectiveness. Wow, it's a stop sign. It's pretty reflective. I can't believe that there's a threshold that it has to meet. London is known as the forest city. We have trees. The city of London is taking it upon itself by its advice from its lawyers to cut down the big trees because they're liabilities. The city now has about 2% large trees. It's crazy. Of course trees fall down. They do it all the time in the forest, and nobody hears. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, my rant's officially over. I'm gonna find the thumb screw. Maybe here a while. I got what I wanted from Lori's Fasteners. What an amazing place that is. If they don't have it, they can get it. This is a cap for a cap screw. This is a 1/4 inch 20 thread by 1.25 inch cap screw. That's my wing nut for my pot holder now. You just pound those cap screws on. They're pressure fit. I'll put a little dab of crazy glue in as well. Who'd have thought? I didn't know what cap screws were different than the other screw without the markings on the side. It's kind of a knurling. Let's take a look at those things I got. There's the bolt. And there's the cap for it. So it's gonna go. That gets pounded in there. This would happen after you would tighten it into something, I imagine, with the Allen key, and then put the cap on to hide it, and I guess you'd be able to take it out. These are going to be on the stove, so it's never going to be that tight. So they'll be meant to be removed. I don't know. Cap screws and caps. I'm going to put together my cap screws. Figure why not? I'm going to use a little bit of this stuff. Whenever you use this, you should have safety glasses on. This stuff's dangerous just because it can spray. I've had it spray numerous times. Just one around the outside. A little dab in the center. Push that in. There we go. One cap screw. Let's do the next one. I'm putting these nuts on the top so I don't wreck the threads. A little dab will do ya. A little dab on here. Ta-da! And that is how you make cap screws with caps, I guess. That. I'll put this away. I keep it in its own little container that says open. So I know I've got an open one. These come in packs of 4. If you put the same thing back, you don't know which one's open. But I do. So I put it in its own little jar. Okay, well, I had to turn off my fan because it makes it just too cold in here for me to be around it. Today's high is going to be 8. It's 6 right now, so I'm kind of freezing. I've got to go in and make a cake. I've also got to make icing. I've got to figure out the icing for these banana cakes. I've got the recipe down. It's where it needs to be. It's delicious, and I need now to figure out the icing. Could be chocolate. Might be chocolate because chocolate and banana go together really well. We'll see. I had to bake a couple of cakes. Here they are. This is my cake straps. This wet paper towel inside that aluminum foil. And it seems to make a difference. Let these cool for a little bit and then I'll flip them out onto racks. Cool the rest of the way. Take a look outside. Oh, nice. Rain. Isn't that nice? Oh well. At least I sprayed some cleaner on my seats. I'm going to clean those up before they go back in the boat. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to make a list of stuff I need for the Siren and stuff I need for the McGregor. It's 2 separate lists because I'm going to need one before the other. Twice, actually.